Hey, what's up? Good morning to all. Today we're going to traditional bead makeup. Before we start, let me introduce the things needed during the performing traditional bead makeup. The first linen, second linen, blanket, the next is third linen, and the pillowcase and pillow cover. And don't forget the second linen's wrong side. And now we're going to start. So today's video, the first linen. First linen, spray the first linen bottom sheet evenly over the mattress, then tuck the sheet tightly under the mattress on all sides. It means tuck in the first linen. Now let's proceed to the second linen. Second linen is the wrong side. Lay the flat sheet over the bed with the longer side aligned with the mattress edge. And now let's proceed to the blanket. Positions it about 6 to 12 inches from the head of the bed to allow for folding. Now let's proceed to the next. The next is third linen. Align to the mattress edge. Next, proceed. Let's proceed the linen folding in half and half again. Pull the sides to make sure there will be no wrinkles. After that, we will start tuck in the sheet. Tuck in the other side, tuck in also the other side. You need to fix it the other side and also the other side. Tuck in the other side and tuck in also the other side. And we are done the third linen. We're going to the pillow. Proceed to the pillow. Now we're going to be putting the pillowcase to the pillow. And fix it the pillowcase. And also putting the pillow cover to the pillow. And after that, putting the pillow to the head of the bed. On the effects at and that's all. The step by step of traditional bed making. Bye bye.